Good morning, beauties. I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty and welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a vlog for the day because it's my senior prom and I want to do a get ready with me, and we have a lot on the agenda, so we need to get started really quick. I have a little list of the things that we need to do. At 10 o'clock I have a hair appointment, and then I need to go get my toenails done, and then I want to try and go to the mall and kind of find a sparkly clutch purse thing. And then I'm going to come home, do my makeup, and you'll get to follow me for that. And then I'm going to get dressed, and then we have pictures, dinner, and then the dance. And somewhere in there, I need to get Dunkin' because you know how it is. I can't function without Dunkin'. So you know the drill. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so first on the agenda is to get my hair done. We're right on time for our appointment, so I'm just gonna head over there really quick. I don't know if I'm gonna do a half up, half down, all the way down, maybe a bun, but I know I'm gonna curl it, so yeah, let's head on to the hair salon. This is Kim. She's been doing my hair since middle school. She's absolutely amazing, so I just had to go to her for prom. Guys, I love my hair so much. It came out so perfect, and I think it's gonna match my dress really well. And I'm really happy that we didn't go with a bun or half up, half down. I just feel a lot more comfortable with my hair down fully, so I'm excited about that. And next on our to-do list is to go get my toenails done, so let's head on over to the nail salon. Just a quick update for the vlog. I just got done with my nails. They came out so pretty. And yesterday I got my nails done. And these are literally my favorite nails I've ever gotten. This is my first time getting acrylic, so I was really excited about that. I'll add in a quick montage in case you wanted to see them. And next on our to-do list is to go get Dunkin' because I've been craving it all day. And then after we get Dunkin', we'll probably go to the mall. So this is me at the mall, and when I tell you I spent forever here, I spent forever trying to find the perfect earrings and purse. But of course, being the person I am, I reverted to the exact ones that I saw first. I apologize for there not being more footage. I just wanted to be in the moment for my senior prom. We just went to dinner and we took pictures and then we went to the dance. Hey vlog, we're at prom.
Hey.
What's up?
Prom just ended, but the night's still young.
The night is still young. The night is not over yet.
Hey, we had a blast. It's trick or treat. I took up on the DJ booth and I got kicked out of the dance.
We got kicked off the stage, but it's whatever. The night is still young. It's Morgan. Yeah, we're good. And Logan and Haley, they really did win. On the low, they won, so it's alright.
Oh, yeah, there's people's winning.
Yeah.